Hi, my name is Karen Dolan. I'm a banjo player from County Cavan and I'm here in the McNeela music shop, sampling out a couple of banjos. This lovely banjo is called the Celt. It's been rebranded with some new tuning pegs, lower action, and it's an excellent banjo. I would say this is your entry-level banjo with more, to be honest, because of the extra bits and pieces it's got, the extra design, and how easy it is to play. So this banjo will last. Ideal for that person who is sure they want to play, they want to invest in a banjo, but they're still at that beginner intermediate level. The tone out of this is exceptional. It's really clear and it's good even for, I suppose, a couple of years if you're branching into that gig space and session space. So I'd highly recommend it. Playing it was easy. It has great action on it, and for someone wanting to invest in music themselves, this is definitely the one. So I'm going to play you another tune here. I'll go for Boys of the Town.